Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and use the New Year video template on the ShotCut apps. So in here, I've already opened the apps, and what you need to do is click on the template button in here. Then just scroll or swipe and you'll find the New Year template in here. You can see there are a bunch of templates provided by the ShotCut apps. So what you need to do is just click on one of these templates that you want to use. For example, I want to use this one. Just click on use, then select photos or videos to the template. I'm going to just add the random picture to the template. Now click on next, and just like that the video will be created. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.